What exactly do you need to make on average $5,000 per month in breakout trading? Let me show you in this video. Okay, what I'm going to share with you today, it's a very neat calculator which you can get completely for free at this link. And this calculator tells you pretty precisely what you need to accomplish your trading objectives. So let me show you what it takes to make on average $5,000 per month in breakout trading. First of all, in the calculator, we have to specify your actual trading account. So let's say you have $50,000. Now, as we said, your desired average monthly income is $5,000. And finally, we need to specify what is your expected average trading annual return. This is a little bit tricky part because you can never say in advance, but let's assume that you have really good, really powerful breakout trading strategies and you have a pretty high risk tolerance. In that case, I would dare to set up to 80% average trading annual return. Now notice that this is already kind of hard. So if you are a newbie, you probably will have to start within the easy to medium areas. But with a good strategies, it's totally achievable. Okay, so now we have all our parameters, and let's say that you are already trading and you just need to create better breakout strategies. So now we will click and in a second we get more details about the achievability of our goal. So to achieve $5,000 a month on average, you actually need either higher capital, 75,000, or you need to be able to achieve higher return. And I think 120% is way too hard already. So what is your option? Well, for example, you can build your capital quite smartly, and this application will tell you exactly how to do that. And if we have a better look, we can see that basically if we use 50% of our profits and reinvest the other 50% to keep building our capital, then if we start with 50K as we modeled at the beginning, we will reach our needed capital in 2 years. So you see, getting to 5K a month on average will not be immediate, but in 2 years, with a little bit of careful planning, you can get them. Again, this fantastic application will help you to model all the ideal scenarios to achieve your trading objective. And finally, what about if I decide to keep reinvesting my profits? How quickly can I grow with the capital and make even more on average per month? Well, that's what the application tells you as well. And as you can see, if I'm a really good trader and I can keep achieving about 80% annual return on average, then after 2 years, my capital will be already close to 192,000 US dollars. And with these numbers, I'm already entering the territory of making over $10,000 per month on average. Of course, there are still a lot of unknown parts, and maybe your average annual return will not be that fantastic. But hey, again, that's why you have this application, which will help you to model other scenarios very easily and very quickly. And finally, if you want to know how much you will need to risk or what are the top markets to help you achieve your trading goal, all this will tell you this completely free application as well. So play with it. This application comes with very reasonable and realistic numbers. This is not any fantasy land. And with a little bit of experimenting, you see what's possible for you and what it will take to get you there. By the way, I will be sharing many more highly practical tips and applications like this one in upcoming videos. So please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss them out. If you like this video, please give us a thumb up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.